take a look at this. Gonna go see what's over there. That's my sister, my Tina. Hey, over there. Oh my gosh. My tide is coming in. Where's my sister? Oh, there. Richie. He went behind the tree. Whatever he is. And me. Hi everybody. This is my cousin's family yard on his mother's side. Look how beautiful this land that they own, 500 acres. And I'm just going to walk through, take a look at that. Beautiful plants. Wow, this is a really big yard. And we stopped here just to go eat some lunch. The family uses this area when they have really get-togethers, big gatherings. They come over here and they have their parties. Nice. There you go.
Yeah, just. I know. Yeah, are they growing? When we drive on the highway over there, it said oranges and limes on the. They're growing. No, not
Look
here,
at the orchids.
Like, yeah, on the road. Yeah, they're start. They always get that stuff. Or they just start growing limes. Yeah.
Look at that. Nice orchids. And they're real. Some tea leaves. And we have papayas growing here. Look at this papaya tree. Those are real papayas. Hi everybody, I'm back. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm on vacation to Maui, Hawaii. This is the island I was born in, so it's really nice here. We're halfway to Hana. My husband's sitting over there, but my daughter's in the water with her cousins, which is my sister's grandkids, so I'm the grand auntie. So I'm just sitting here watching them. That water is so cold, and they are loving it. My sister's not in the water. I'm not in the water, but I'm gonna go sit by my husband right now. I'm gonna go towards him. There's my husband. You taking good videos, honey? Who's that floating in the water like that? Oh. Let's see. I'm gonna go we zoom in. Look, they're having so much fun. There's Tina. Oh, Lana's in the water. Lana's in the water without no bathing suit. Okay.
Who is? Sean?
There goes Richie and Tegan.
I doubt if she's gonna jump off.
I don't know. You might.
Sure doesn't look like it to me. Richie might jump off.
Oh my gosh, Richie jumped. She's gonna do it too. Watch.
She's not careful, she's gonna slip and fall. Oh, good for her.
That's my cousin Neil. My first cousin. And that's his son. That's his daughter. There's Lauren. Hana. There's Tegan. Richie. Yeah. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain again. It's gonna shower again. I gotta get under the get under the shade here. There's Lana. Lana don't want to go in the water. Hey, it's starting to rain again. It's starting to rain again. Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. I have to get back under the shade because it started to rain, and I'm really having very fun time here in Maui. We're actually halfway to Hana, and my daughter Tina's already in there, and her cousins and a great aunt to them, so they're in the water. There's Tegan. There's Lauren. Good Tina. My cousins. Look at Tina in the water. Oh my God. Hey, get out of the way.